Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jake with All Around Performance. And on a beautiful day like today, I wanted to highlight one of the units we currently have for sale. This is our Bennche 400 Cowboy. This is a great introductory side-by-side, or great for those looking to get a little bit more utility out of their side-by-side. The units are a nice blend of utility and comfort with their gas suspension, but still plenty capable with its 22-inch all-terrain tires, as well as its both front and rear dual ARM suspension. This unit also comes equipped with electronic four-wheel drive, as well as an electronic front-locking differential. If we come around to the front of this unit, you'll see from the factory, this unit comes equipped with a 3,000-pound rated winch. You can check out these headlights in the front. These are actually LEDs, super bright at night with a high-low feature. Middle bench seat that fits 3. We take a peek inside the cab here. You have all your rocker switches in the middle, and this unit comes equipped with a half analog, half digital display. Your tachometer being physical, and then your speedometer, fuel, temp, all being over here on the digital screen. The utility on this unit doesn't just stop with its four-wheel drive. It also comes equipped with a full steel dump box. Easy to use with just one hand thanks to its hydraulic operation. Lifts nice and slow. And if you go to close it, it's as easy as closing it with just one hand. If you come around to the rear of this unit, you'll see the latches on the back. Super easy to use. Nice, light, sturdy. And then in the back, this unit also comes equipped with a 1.5-inch receiver from the factory. If you would like to find out more about this unit, including pricing, make sure you swing by our website at allaroundperformance.com. Or maybe if you want to come test it out for yourself in person, swing by our shop here at All Around Performance in Freedom, New York. Thank you so much for your time today.